Welcome to Aon Product Pick, your home for the latest camera reviews, gear insights, and photography tips. Today we're taking a closer look at the Nikon Z90, one of the most exciting mirrorless cameras in Nikon's lineup for 2025. Known for its lightning-fast performance, advanced autofocus, and powerful video features, the Z90 is designed to impress both photographers and content creators. High voltage. Whether you're into wildlife, sports, or cinematic video, this camera promises to deliver speed, reliability, and stunning image quality all in one compact body. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around as we break down everything you need to know about the Nikon Z90. The Nikon Z90 is Nikon's latest APS-C mirrorless powerhouse, built for speed and versatility. Featuring a new 26MP BSI sensor paired with Nikon's advanced XP7 processor, this camera delivers outstanding image quality, even in low light. Its robust design and comfortable grip make it a reliable choice for photographers who want both performance and portability. One of the biggest highlights of the Z90 is its lightning-fast autofocus system with subject tracking powered by AI, capable of locking onto eyes, animals, vehicles, and more with precision. For action shooters, the Z90 offers up to 20 frames per second continuous shooting with RAW and blackout-free EVF, making it an excellent choice for sports, wildlife, and fast-moving subjects. On the video side, the Nikon Z90 really shines with 6K oversampled 4K recording up to 60 frames per second, 10-bit N-Log, and excellent stabilization for smooth handheld shots. Whether you're a hybrid creator, vlogger, or filmmaker, the Z90 brings pro-level features into a compact APS-C body. It's a strong competitor in 2025 and one of Nikon's most exciting cameras for creators on the move. Is a fast, feature-packed APS-C mirrorless camera built for creators in 2025. With its 26MP sensor, blazing fast autofocus, 20 frames per second burst shooting, and oversampled 4K video, it's a powerful choice for photographers and videographers who want professional performance in a compact body. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.